What if I told you you can start building real business application even if you don't know any programming language like Java or Python? Yes, you heard that right. With PowerApp, Power Automate, and Dataverse, you can build real powerful business solution without being an expert programmer. But here's the problem: when beginners open PowerApp for the first time, they see Dataverse, PowerFX, API, connector, and suddenly they don't know where to start. And that's exactly why I am creating this series. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bharat, a Power Platform developer, and we are going to start Power App journey step by step from beginner to job ready. We will start with basics, build real project, and gradually move to advanced topics like Dataverse, Power Automate, Performance, API, and AI. No confusion, no trying to learn everything at once, just one step at a time. So if you are ready to start Power App journey, let's build it together. Before we begin this journey together, you deserve to know exactly what you are signing up for. So in the next 15 minutes, I am covering 6 things. The real reality of Power Platform job market, not the sugar-coated version you see in thumbnail. The complete roadmap, exactly what to learn and in what order, so you never feel lost. Third, how long this will actually take. A real timeline, whether you are studying full-time or part-time after college or work. Fourth, the salary you can genuinely expect, and the honest difference between getting hired with certification versus without one. Fifth, the future of Power Platform. Why this skill only get more valuable from here, not less. And finally, how to get a job faster. The part most tutorial completely skip. Let's be honest about a few things first. There are hundreds of Power Platform tutorials on YouTube already. But open 10 of them and you will notice something. They are scattered. One video on galleries, one random tricks, no real order, no beginning, no end. You watch for hours and still can't build a full application on your own. That's not because you are not smart enough. That's a structure problem. And it's the first thing I am going to fix it. Second, and this one bigger, Power Platform changed massively in 2026. Microsoft has pushed AI and Copilot into every single corner of it. Your application, your automation, even your portals. So if the course you are learning from even a year old, you have already learning a version of this tool that does not fully exist anymore. And third, the certification map itself, it's shifting under everyone fits right now. Exams like PL200 and PL600 are being retired by Microsoft in 2026. A brand new set of exams, the AV series, is stepping to replace them. Most creators haven't even updated their advice to reflect this yet. So here's the what actually happening underneath on the nose. Company needs people who understand application, automation, and this new AI layer together as one skill set. That combination is genuinely rare right now, which means something important for you. If you learn this properly, you're not competing with 10,000 people for one seat, you're barely competing with anyone at all. If you are brand new to this, let me slow down and make it that simple. Power Platform is a family of tools from Microsoft that lets you build real, working business software without writing thousands of lines of code. Think of it like this: traditional software development is like building a house bricks by hand. But Power Platform hands you pre-built blocks and show you how to snap them together fast. Like Power Apps, this is where you build the actual application, a leave request app, an inventory tracker, whatever the business needs. Second, Power Automate, your automation engine. It sends the email, moves the approval forward, does the boring repetitive work so a human does not have to. Third, Power BI, turn messy data into charts and dashboard so manager can actually understand at a glance. Fourth, Power Pages. It's built full website and portals even for people outside your company can use. Next, Copilot Studio. This is where it's get exciting. You build your own AI agent here, your own chatbot, train on your company's own data. And finally, holding all of it together underneath, Dataverse. Think of it as the shared database every other tool quickly relies on. Now, why does 2026 specifically matter? Because Microsoft 2026 release wave in the biggest shift Power App has been since the day its launch. AI and autonomous agents are being built into every layer of it. Your apps can now summarize data on their own. Agent can complete multi-step tasks by themselves. And Copilot sit right beside you while you build, like a co-pilot in the truest sense. This means the skill itself is evolving. It's no longer just low-code development. It's low-code development plus AI agent building fused into one single skill set. And there is a simple business reason behind all of this. Enterprises are moving to Power Platform because it's faster and cheaper than traditional custom software. And that's not a 6-month trend that fade away. That's a structural shift is how companies build their internal tools, which tells you exactly one thing. The demand of this skill is not slowing down. It's only getting louder. Okay, let's talk about number, the part you have probably been waiting for. And I want to complete transparent with you. These are real ranges based on current market data, not a promise, not a guarantee. Your city, your company, and your actual skill level all move this number up or down. So, as a fresher with basic Canvas application skills and a couple of projects behind you, you are realistic looking at 3.5 to 6 lakh per year. With 1 to 2 years of experience, Canvas application or automate some database knowledge that moves around 5 to 9 lakhs. And once you added pro developer skill like custom component, custom connector, real database architecture, you step into 9 lakhs to 16 lakhs range. And senior consultant and architect handling governance, integration, and Copilot Studio agent are closing 16 to 25 lakhs, with specialists going even further. Now here's the part I really want you need to know. With a certification, what can you actually expect? A certification like PL900 does not make you expert overnight. What it proves is that you are serious and that you understand the Power Platform foundation. For a fresher with zero work experience, that matters because most companies run your resume through automated filter before any human even look at it. A certification gate has you passed that filter. It's get you interview call faster and it's build instant trust with HR. Certified fresher tend to land on the higher side of that fresher salary range, not the lower side. And without a certification, what you can actually expect? Yes, it is still absolutely possible. I want to be fully honest with you here. Plenty of good developers got hired purely on a strong project and a solid portfolio. No certification at all, but without one, you are learning almost entirely on your work is speaking for itself. Your resume might get quickly filtered out before a human ever see it. You will likely need referrals, direct outreach, or a genuinely impressive live demo to get noticed at all. And realistically, your starting offer tend to sit on the lower end of that fresher range, with slow room to negotiate up. So here is my honest take, not a sales pitch. A certification opens the door faster. Projects are what keep you in the room once you are inside. You need both, and on this challenge, I am going to help you build both together side by side, not one after the other. Now, the question I get asked more than almost anything else: how long will this actually take me starting from zero? Let's be real about this, no sugarcoating. If you can study full time, say 4 to 6 focused hours a day, here is roughly what that looks like. First 1 and 2 months, fundamentals and Canvas application. By end of this, you can sit the PL900 exam and build your first 2 or 3 small application. Month 3rd and 4th, model application, Dataverse and Power Automate. Your portfolio goes to 5 to 6 projects and you can start applying the junior roles here. Don't wait for perfect. Month 5 to 6, AI Builder, Copilot and Copilot Studio Agent, plus your first pro developer skill. This is where you become genuinely job ready and stand out from most other freshers. Month 7 onward, governance, ALM and deep architect skills, working towards PL400 and AV410 while you are already interviewing. So full-time focused effort, you can realistically be job ready in 4 to 6 months and reaching a strong, well-rounded skill level by month 8 to 10. If you are studying part-time, say while you are in college or working another job, doing 1 or 2 hours a day, simply stretch the same roadmap out. You are looking at 7 to 9 months to be a job ready and around 12 to 14 months for the complete differential seat. Here is the honest truth. The exact month does not matter nearly as much as your consistency. Someone who shows up for 1 focused hour every single day will beat someone who does 5 hours once a week and disappear for 2 weeks after. So don't ask, how fast can I finish this? Ask, can I show up consistently? That's the real timeline that matters. So here is exactly what we are going to build together on this challenge. We go module by module, starting from completely fundamentals, moving into Canvas application, then modern development application, Dataverse, and Power Automate. Then into the genuinely exciting part, AI builders, Copilot, and Copilot Studio Agent. And finally into pro developer skills, governance, and real world deployment. And certifications are not safe for someone eventually. They are built into checkpoints along the way. PL900 early on, PL400 and AV410 in the middle, and by the end, you will be aiming for expert level AV100. By the time we finish this journey together, we won't just have knowledge sitting in your head. You will have 2 certifications and 10 real projects ready to go straight onto your resume and your portfolio. One last thing before you go, and honestly, this might be the most important thing I say in this entire video. Don't wait until you feel fully ready to start applying. Start building your LinkedIn profile and applying from week 1. HR don't expect perfection from a fresher. They expect proof that you can actually build something real. So publish everything, every single project we build together on this channel. Put it up a simple GitHub page, a short demo video, even a basic Notion portfolio work. That proof of work is often worth more than the certificate itself. And get visible in community, Power Platform forums, LinkedIn groups, and the Microsoft Tech community. A huge number of jobs in this space come through referrals and visibility, not just cold job portal applications. So tell me right now in the comments, are you a complete fresher, a student, or someone switching career into Power Platform? I read every single comment and it's generally sharp what I teach next. If this video made sense to you, if it gave you even one moment of clarity, hit subscribe and turn on notification bell. We start building from absolute zero together. I also try to include the PDF for every video in the description as well, so it can help you prepare for interviews. And I will see you in the next video.